public place.
Sorry?
I'm in a public
I know,
place.
do you have the sound turned on though?
It's a video recorder.
So you have the sound turned on?
It's a video recorder.
Right, okay.
What's your name?
Peter.
Peter. And who are you? Are you a manager? And so forth.
Yeah,
That's
just
it.
advise you just keep moving, mate. Thank you. Not allowed to take them. Thank you.
Thanks for your advice. I did a quick visit to Service New South Wales in Richmond to see what reaction I would get from public photography. Okay. Hawkesbury City Council. I did try to film my transaction with a GoPro a few months ago and was basically refused service until I'd turned it off. So I know that they are especially narky about not filming even though it is a public place. I got 2 brief encounters from staff, so I decided to shorten the video where not much happens. I'm in
Yeah.
a public place.
Sorry?
I'm in a public
I know,
place.
do you have the sound turned on though?
It's a video recorder.
So you have the sound turned on?
It's a video recorder.
Right, okay.
What's your name?
Peter?
Peter. And who are you? Are you a manager? I'm pretty sure this supervisor is getting advice from the police.
Hi man, how are you going?
Hello?
Just as my supervisor said, you're not allowed to take a flame inside here. If you have, keep moving, mate. Thank you. Can give you a notice there.
Can I
Keep
ask who
moving.
you are?
Thank you. You're not allowed to take a flame. Yeah, thank you.
This is a public place. Yes, I can.
You can?
I'm just filming government procedures,
Yeah.
just processes for checking in and so forth.
Yeah.
That's
Just
it.
advise you just keep moving, mate. Thank you. Not allowed to take flame. Thank you.
Thanks for your advice. Then they decided to close the doors, apparently to create some privacy. But it's a public place. Creating a privacy. Without much happening, I wrapped it up there. If you like this video, please support my channel and subscribe, comment and share. Thanks for watching.